Hi guys, welcome back to Godwin John. My name is Mansi Oswal and you guys have probably seen me here for the first time. मैं इसकी wife हूँ and
गर्लफ्रेंड हो
हाँ वही.
तो
And
wife
now you
बन गई
guys
है.
will be seeing me more often in the vlogs. Hopefully, if I get approved to be on camera.
What's your name?
Mansi Oswal Kapoor.
Hi guys, welcome back to Godwin John. Today is our first vlog together, first of many. So today we are going for breakfast. It's Sunday. It's 8:45. इतना सुबह सुबह मैं काम के लिए नहीं उठता और हम ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए जा रहे हैं. एंड वी आर गोइंग टू अ प्लेस विच मानसी हैड टोल्ड मी आई थिंक सो अ वाइल बैक व्हेन शी वाज इन पूना. She is from Pune. Her handle is @the millionth foodie. कोई दिन हम इस हैंडल का भी नाम मतलब हैंडल का मीनिंग भी बताएंगे कि मेरा नाम क्यों है गॉडविन जॉन और क्यों है इनका नाम द मिलियंथ फूडी. सो दैट इज फॉर सम अदर टाइम. बट या सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू वेरोनिका's. That's to have their breakfast menu, which has I think so they have a new breakfast menu now. So we're going to Veronica's, and that is a place which Mansi had in her must visit diary. So as a good husband, I'm taking her and taking it off from her list. So let's get started with Godwin John, the Million Foodie, and Veronica's. So I'm sure you have researched what to eat at Veronica's. कल पूरा दिन इंस्टाग्राम पे ऐसे कर करके. सो क्या सोचा है अभी तक, लाइक व्हाट ऑल यू हैव प्लान्ड ऑलरेडी कि आई हैव टू ईट दैट?
Coffee and mushroom on toast because I love mushrooms.
इतना सुस्त क्यों?
I'm sleepy.
This part won't go.
Why?
Vlog. Because you are not energetic. Morning should be like थोड़ा सा जोश होना चाहिए मॉर्निंग में.
You're sounding like an uncle who gets up to do 6 o'clock, 6 a.m. in the morning yoga.
Like your dad?
My dad doesn't get up for yoga. Gets up for cycling at 4 o'clock in the morning.
Yes.
That is another level of energy which I do not have. I am clearly not a morning person.
So anyway, so खाली mushroom on toast and coffee?
नहीं, अभी देखिए और क्या क्या है उधर. वेजिटेरियन में और वेजिटेरियन के लिए ऑप्शंस थोड़े कम हैं इन वेरोनिकास. बट आई थिंक दे हैव एन एवो टोस्ट, मशरूम टोस्ट एंड सम डिजर्ट टोस्ट लाइक द हनी मलाई टोस्ट और समथिंग.
Wow.
So yeah, I'll do one mushrooms on toast for sure. And other than that, I'll see what they have. They have some nice croissants or cookies.
You can have a croissant with this coffee. Hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate.
I want to have hot chocolate, but I want to have a very
cold
thick.
in Bombay.
It's cold in Bombay. A Pune person saying it's cold in
No, it's
Pune.
not cold. I am surprised that a lot of people are wearing jackets and whatnot. Like, see, there's a person there. He's wearing jacket.
But anything Bombay के लिए anything below 20 is cold.
Yeah.
And
It's pleasant for us.
Yeah.
Pune people.
Seeing a Pune person who cannot even stand 24 degree of AC.
AC I can't stand. ऐसे outdoor temperatures. It's nice.
So I'm excited to have hot chocolate, but you know how I like my hot chocolate, thick, very thick.
Oh my God. You drink so much.
Huh?
I'm yawning so much.
I think so. You have to have a coffee.
Get a video of me drinking it again.
So we have finally reached Veronica's. So this is Veronica's, one of the most upcoming iconic place. Upcoming तो नहीं मगर iconic तो हो गया है. It's been more than 1 year, 1.5 years since Veronica's have opened. It's a pretty colorful place. It's a small place. Let me take you inside. Small cute place, but always full. Always full. That's my table. और ये इसने अपना खाना ऑर्डर कर दिया. और so we have finally got Mansi for hot chocolate. Coffee पीना था मगर hot chocolate. I hope now she stops yawning.
Wait.
Have a sip.
waiting for something else to come.
Have a sip once.
It's hot, it's very hot.
मतलब ही hot chocolate का hot होने का है.
And it's thin.
Is it good? Speciality of this coffee or chocolate?
He said it has no sugar and it's made in-house with dark chocolate. It's really good. It's super, super chocolatey. It's not thick, but it's really nice. Because
I like my hot chocolate thick, very thick.
No, but this is good even though it's not thick.
Okay, so our food is here. This is my side, the non-veg side. This is my BVK side, the veg side. So what are you eating, Nancy?
We have hash browns, we have shroom toast, we have pastrami burnt end tacos, we have the chorizo chili fried skillet eggs, we have the Kerala egg puff, hot chocolate and Ferrero Rocher.
How is your mushroom on toast? Mushroom on toast. Huh? Is it something you would wake up for again? To come?
I would have it at some other time of the day. I would not wake up for it, but it's really good.
Would you lose your beauty sleep over mushroom on toast from Veronica's? No?
See, I would eat it again many times, but I would not wake up in the morning for it.
How's your hash brown?
Hash browns, so there were 3, there's only 1 left. It's yummy.
How's your hot chocolate?
Everything's good.
So far, is Veronica staying up to expectation?
Yeah. Yes, Mr. Kapoor.
Yes, Mrs. Kapoor.
How's your...
Sriracha chicken?
Yes. How's it?
It's very good. The only thing is that the tomato sauce which they put, sriracha sauce was so spicy. I love spicy food. वो थोड़ा
How's this egg puff?
But the tacos, the mushroom sauce on it, the chorizo, marvelous.
And how's your...
So our breakfast is done. Waiting for the breakfast enter, that's a dessert. And what we wanted to order वो available नहीं है because this is अभी 11 बज गया है. And this menu is only available from 8 o'clock to 11 o'clock. That's the breakfast time. Then the different menu starts. So मेरा time end हो गया, so I didn't get the dessert I wanted. But they have recommended me something else, तो वो मंगा रहा हूँ. It is very noisy, I know. I don't know if you can hear me or not. I'll talk in the car, but I'll explain the whole food experience in the car now. But अभी बस dessert and then we bounce. So the coffee rasgulla tiramisu is here. I already had a taste of it. Mansi, you have a taste and tell me how it is.
अच्छा है, very nice.
Very nice, ना?
लग नहीं रहा है कि उसमें there is rasgulla and I don't like rasgulla, but I love it.
Yeah. बहुत ही शानदार मील एंडर. अभी हम गाड़ी में बात करेंगे सीधा. So we are done with Veronica breakfast. We woke up on a Sunday at 8 o'clock to go to Veronica's by 9 o'clock.
8 o'clock में we woke up at
7 o'clock. 7:15. Okay, we woke up at 7:15. बहुत अलार्म बजे. Wake up Vidur. So yeah, we did our breakfast. Was it worth it? Will you ever wake up again for a breakfast at Veronica's? Or in general? पहले आप general का बोल दो.
No, in general also I'm not a breakfast person. I'm not a morning person. I like to wake up at my time, which is like 8:30, 9 आराम से. But so I'm not someone who eats breakfast also. But the food was amazing. Like मेरा जो भी vegetarian खाना था, it was really good. I loved the mushrooms on toast. I loved the hot chocolate, and the hash browns was super yummy. But if they make it into an all-day menu, I'll definitely go and order everything again. But I will not wake up in the morning and go for a breakfast.
Okay, I'm a morning person. I love waking up in the morning. And like, I find Bombay in morning better because there's no traffic.
Yeah, there was no traffic.
And nothing. Like, I can zoom around.
And the weather also today was
the weather also
nice.
the weather also is very good. बॉम्बे में हल्की सी विंटर आई है, इसके लिए मैंने फुल स्लीव पहना हुआ है. The only chance I get to है. Anyway, so my food was good, especially the tacos. Let's start with the positives first. The tacos were very good. My Ferrero Rocher was very good, and the dessert, coffee, rasgulla, tiramisu was banging. The perfect meal ender. The only thing which I genuinely found थोड़ा सा, see, लाइक होता है ना, बोलते हैं ना, अगर 100 बच्चे होते हैं तो उसमें से एक बच्चा तो कभी ना कभी यहाँ से वहाँ होता ही है कुछ, तो वैसा ही था. आई फाउंड माई ऑमलेट अ लिटिल सॉल्टी फॉर माई लाइकिंग, सो दैट इज़ द ओनली drawback which I experienced.
And the egg puff also was a bit dry. I didn't have it, but it looked dry.
Egg puff was okay. It is a puff ऐसा ही होता है. But the omelette was थोड़ा, which is I was excited for the omelette, but gave me a little disappointing experience. I love spicy food, so मैंने इसके लिए sriracha chicken omelette मंगाया था. I thought it would be spicy, so I love two things, which is spice and chicken. मैं सोचा कि combination of one, but it was little salty. But that is apparently the best seller they have, because मेरे बाजू वाले टेबल पे they ordered the same thing and they were tripping over it. So yeah, maybe मेरे इसमें ज़्यादा ही नमक शमक चले गए हैं. हाँ, so overall a good experience. A cute place. Veronica is a cute place. A place where if you have patience to wait, then you should go. Because it's always.
Yeah, because there was apparently an hour's waiting.
And people are standing, huh?
Yeah.
ऐसा नहीं कि they don't give up.
And this shuts at 11 o'clock, guys. So please go like early. The earlier you go, the better.
The menu
Late
shuts
होगा तो फिर आपको लाइन में रुकना पड़ेगा, and you might not even get a table. A lot of people went back because the menu was shut.
So yeah. So for me, for us actually, it was worth the Sunday waking up and going to experience the breakfast. Waking up को ऐसे से कर रही है, खाने को ऐसा नहीं कर रही हो.
Yes.
हाँ, खाना पसंद है उसको, because I'll drop the reel, तो टाइम देखोगे she is dancing like this on every bite. So yeah, we end this vlog with 4 star out of 5 star for Veronica's. 1 star is was specially and just for the omelette, because breakfast for me, I'm a half Parsi, so omelette is something which is, eggs in general is something which we eat a lot. So my mom eats eggs every single day, so eggs is something which is an emotion for us. So 1 star cut for just the egg. Otherwise the service was good, the place is pretty small and cute, and the staff is good, helpful, the food was good. So it's 4 out of 5 for me, for Veronica's. How much would you rate?
I would give it a 4.5.
That was the vlog for from Corbin John and the Million Foodie with Veronica. Cheers. Bye.